All right, we're going to go through kapalabhati today. So kapalabhati is this heating breath. It's really active. What you do is you kind of force air out of your lungs, focusing fully on the exhale. So doing this is meant to awaken this energy within you. And because it does that, it's going to increase the circulation in your body. And it's also a really good transverse abdominal exercise. So it's really good for your abdominals. So much so actually that doing this with Crystal found there was a lot of healing after she gave birth to Stryker, and because there's a lot of damage to your abdominal muscles when you go through a pregnancy. So she used this exactly to kind of bring her abdominal wall back together. So with that, to do this, you want to be able to sit up in a tall seat. So find a good balanced posture. And then find evenness in your breath. Just kind of observe your breath a couple times, full inhales and full exhales, and find some evenness. And one of the times when you're ready to go, you'll exhale completely. Find the bottom of your breath, and then begin to contract in your belly. And you do these strong, strict, forceful expulsions to force out any last little bit of air that's in your lungs. You fully focus on the exhale. And when you do that, you're kind of like compressing your lungs so that when they relax, they naturally come back to like a balanced state, and it pulls air in naturally. So you're not going to run out of breath, you're just forcing it out. Okay? So let's do one of these together. What we're going to do is find breath, and then we'll go through 30 expulsions, so 30 rounds of kapalabhati in that one set. Now, in a typical sadhana practice, what I would recommend is you do 3 sets. So for now, we'll do 30 rounds in one set, and then 3 times. It's important to note that you don't want to just do more because you feel like you can. You don't want to sacrifice quality for quantity. So let's stay with 30 for now, and if that feels like too much, then keep it simple for yourself. You can do less, and that's okay. So find a tall seat. Let's find some evenness in your breath. You can close your eyes or do anything that helps you fully focus inward. Take one last inhale. Exhale fully. The bottom of your breath will begin the practice. Full breath in. Now exhale fully. Begin round 2. Full breath in. As you exhale, prepare for your final round. Breathe naturally. And take note of the sensations you have now. what comes of this. And especially if this is your first time experimenting with this, it's a really good thing to journal about it and write down kind of what came up for you. And begin to build this into your daily practice.